Chapter 80. Our Water Resources. Uses of water. Water is an important natural resource for all living things. We cannot live without water. We need water for drinking, washing, cooking, and bathing. It is also used for growing crops in industries and for generating electricity. Sources of water. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, yet only a small amount of it is fit for drinking and other uses. This water is called fresh water. Therefore, the fresh water is scarce and we must use it wisely. There are many sources of water. Rain. Rain is the main source of fresh water. Rainwater fills rivers, ponds, lakes, and some of it seeps into ground to make groundwater. Farmers depend upon rainwater for watering their crops and irrigating their fields. But the amount of rainfall is not the same across India. Some places get a good amount of rainfall, others do not. Sometimes it does not rain throughout the year. So, it is necessary to find ways of meeting the water needs all through the year. Rivers. River is a large stream of water. Rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra that originate in the mountains get water from the melting of snow and rain. They carry water throughout the year. Rivers like Godavari, Mahanadi, Kaveri that originate from the plateaus get water only from rain. They almost dry up during summers. Lakes. Lakes are large depressions in which river water or rainwater gets collected. This water is used for irrigation, drinking, and fishing. The famous lakes of India are Mansarovar Lake, Dal Lake, Jammu and Kashmir, Chilka Lake, Odisha, Sambhar Lake, Rajasthan, etc. Ponds and tanks. In the southern plateaus, the low-lying areas, ponds and tanks get filled with water during the rainy season. This water is used to irrigate fields, especially during the dry season. Irrigation through ponds and tanks is common in India. Wells and tube wells. When groundwater level is high, wells provide water for irrigation. Persian wheels or water wheels are used to draw out water. When the groundwater level is very low, electric pumps are used to pump the water out by attaching pipes or tubes to the well. These are called tube wells. They are very common in the states such as Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh. Canal. Canal is a channel of water drawn from river. In the northern and coastal plains, canals are dug to take water from the rivers to the fields. Canals are a major source of irrigation in the states of Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. Seas and oceans. Most of the water, about 97% on the earth, is in the seas and oceans. However, this water is too salty. We cannot use it. Dam. A dam is a very strong wall built across a river to block the flow of water. This water is stored in an artificial lake called reservoir, created behind the dam. The stored water is taken to the fields through canals. Multipurpose projects. Many multipurpose river valley projects are made to use water collected in the artificial lakes. These projects are called multi-purpose projects because we use the water collected in the artificial lakes in different ways. Some benefits of these projects are hydroelectricity is produced, floods in the rivers are controlled. For fishing, the water collected in the artificial lakes is used for irrigation. There are many multi-purpose projects in our country. Some of them are given below. Bhakra Nangal Dam. It is built on the river Satluj in Himachal Pradesh. It is the largest dam in India. It provides electricity and water for irrigation to Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Delhi. Its reservoir is called Gobind Sagar. Hirakud Dam. This dam is built on the river Mahanadi in Odisha. It is the longest dam of the world. Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is built on the river Narmada. It provides water to the states of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. It is also known as Narmada Dam. Nagarjun Sagar Dam. This dam is built across Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh. It is considered the largest man-made dam in the world. Tehri Dam. It is built on the Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand. It is the highest dam in India. Damodar Valley Project. It is built on the river Damodar. It provides water to the states of West Bengal and Jharkhand. Conservation of water. Water is essential for our survival on the earth. It is a valuable resource. Each one of us should do our bit to conserve water. Some important steps for water conservation are given below. Close the taps after use. Use a bucket instead of shower to take a bath. Get leaking taps repaired. Reuse water after washing vegetables, for mopping floors and washing car. Store rainwater for future use by rainwater harvesting. Are you aware? The Indira Gandhi Canal provides water from the Satluj River to a large part of Rajasthan. It is one of the world's largest canals. Things I have learned. Water is very important for all living beings in order to survive. The sources of fresh water include rain, rivers, lakes, and underground water. Water is used for drinking, cooking food, washing clothes, and growing crops. The dams which serve many purposes are called multi-purpose projects.